Hi, this is Brian with King Grizzly. Let's take a look at what to do when your custom SVG icon you upload to Elementor, the color won't change. So I've uploaded this little pulse icon to the shoe website I'm working on, and I uploaded an SVG that was just black, and I would like it to be red. So I set the color to red, but as you can see, nothing happens. So why is that? Well, the real culprit is probably the file itself. So if I open my SVG in some sort of a text editor, I'm opening it in a Sublime, which is like a code editor. You just need some kind of plain text editor. What we need to do is look through the SVG, and SVG is actually made up of code like this. It's kind of interesting. But what we'll find is I have a color value right there where it says fill. I'm going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to save my SVG. So what's happening is my color is hard coded in. So what I want to do is re-upload the icon with really no color value entered in. So I'm going to go upload SVG. I'm going to delete this one because it's not working. Then I'll drop it in again. There we go. It looks the same. It defaults to black, but check it out. Now it's red. And so because I don't have a hard-coded value in, I can set any color I want. I can go over to style. I could even actually I could go back to the stacked or framed view, and you can see it's pretty cool. I've got some options now. So maybe I want that like a red background or a square look. Then I should be able to go to styles and fiddle with, let's say, size, padding. Very cool. So that had me, look, you can even rotate it. That would be bad. The pulse going worse. Anyway, pretty cool feature once you figure out the secret with the SVG. A couple more thoughts for those who aren't maybe familiar with it. SVG, I saved it out of Illustrator. There are some other programs that can put out SVGs like Figma. So you can't, this won't work for like a JPEG or a PNG or a raster image. You really need a math-based scalable vector graphic. So you got to figure out how to save one of those out of your program and then make sure that it doesn't have those hard-coded color values inside of it. And then I've uploaded it through the icon widget, and the icon widget will let you change the color. Whereas like the image widget, for example, it'll let you load an SVG, but it's not going to let you set the color. So hopefully it was helpful. If so, please consider subscribing as we try to produce useful content that doesn't consume tons of time. Thanks.